Hello, Mechanicsville. I'm out here watching the boys do some fishing, but come on, let's come on inside. 8726 Hamilton Way. One of the first things you're going to notice in here is that this house is vacant. You know, people will ask, what do I do with a vacant space? I think that's the best part about real estate these days. This space right here, how do you want to use it? It could be a dining room, it could be an office, it could be a play area, but it flows beautifully into this space here. I imagine you're going to put your sofa here oriented towards your fireplace where it's logical that your TV is going to be. You have another dining option, you have a sunroom, and look at this beautiful kitchen. I love the glazed cabinets. You have a walk-in pantry. How is it that you want to live? By the way, living here, your kids are going to go to Pearson's Corner, Chickahominy Middle, and Atlee High School. And if you're familiar with what's going on in Hanover County, that's not supposed to change. So you can move in and rest assured the kids are going to stay in the same school zone. Let's see upstairs. You know, I think this is one of my favorite parts about this house. I love the split door. Because when you're up here in this fabulous space, such a giant space, flex space for whatever you need it for. But if you've got somebody playing up here, being up here for whatever reason, you leave this bottom door shut and the top open, and people can still hear downstairs. Finally, who doesn't love outdoor space? Here we have a beautiful paver patio complete with a fire pit. This space is going to be ideal for you to enjoy fall and winter and spring evenings, summer cocktails, whatever you'd like, here's your place to live. I'm Sarah Cox with RE/MAX Commonwealth. If you're ready to see this beautiful property on Hamilton Way, give me a call. I would love to connect, and we can make this home yours.